This is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHelp.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHelp.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now here's the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Many of us are frustrated and just a little confused about trying to invest in the stock market. We're often told conflicting information about what we should be doing. Online Trading Academy's knowledgeable instructors take the mystery out of successful investing. You can learn how to make money in up and down markets, learn short-term trading for income, and long-term investing for wealth. John Hankel is the president of Online Trading Academy. He joins us today. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for inviting me, Chris.
So tell us all about Online Trading Academy.
We're the premier educator teaching ordinary people how to trade and invest the way professionals do. We have a couple of bricks and mortar campuses right here in the Colorado area where our instructors teach really a hands-on method, the methods that they themselves use to make money in the markets.
Why do most people then struggle when they try to make money in the markets? Because it's not easy, especially if you don't know what you're doing.
That's a great question, Chris. I think it's really not their fault that most people are struggling. Most people don't have any education or any training at all in being successful, so they lack the skills and the knowledge that they need. They just kind of buy and hope that everything goes well, and that's not really a sound strategy.
No, I can vouch for that one for sure. You do need to know what you're doing. I would encourage anyone that is interested, they need to contact you to learn what they're doing, and they can really be incredibly successful with it. So tell us about your students. Who does attend your classes?
We have all kinds of students from 18 to 80. Some of our students have lots of experience, and other successful students, they've never traded or invested at all. They just want to find out more about it, find out what they can do to enter the markets. And it's a great way to really find out how the markets work from the ground up.
And today you're offering to our viewers a free half-day class for anyone that gives you a call and would like to attend. So tell us about that class. What will they learn in that class?
It's an incredible class, Chris. First off, they're going to learn how the markets really work. They're going to understand that they can make money when the market goes up and down, which is a surprise to a lot of people, for sure. And they're going to have a clear path that they can follow to make the markets start working for them rather than against them.
I attended your class.
I know you did.
And I did learn a ton. It was very educational. I continued on and took additional classes. So I can vouch firsthand that they will learn a lot. They won't be disappointed. They need to give you a call and attend that. It's worth every cent. And it doesn't cost anything, so it certainly is. And even if you had to pay for it, it'd be worth every cent. Let's actually take a listen to some of your past students, see what they have to say.
Before our trading was, I have to say, sheer luck. And now we have a much better understanding of something much more technical about the market.
The OTA, you learn a lot of techniques and processes that you have to learn the hard way after reading books and trying to do it on your own in the market, So it's basically accelerates your learning curve, builds your confidence, and you get to a more profitable level much, much faster.
I'd like to just continue on with the testimonials because I was there. There's people that I met that have truly left their jobs. Now, not right away. I mean, they went through the process. They learned how to trade from you, and then they were able to gradually transition out and do this full time.
If they wanted to. I love what we do for people and what we do. We have students that come in that are struggling maybe to save enough money for retirement, and we help them get back on track. Other students want a source of income that can't be outsourced or downsized, or maybe they want to work for themselves, and that's their long-term goal. And we help them find ways to achieve that.
That's fantastic. I encourage anyone that has ever had an interest to give you a call, learn about the market. They're going to learn a ton. So thanks so much for being here. I'm going to tell people how to get a hold of you.
Thank you.
Call now to attend a free half-day class on trading and investing for short-term income and long-term wealth. The value of this class is $500, but the tuition is waived for callers from the show. You'll also receive a complimentary flash drive on market timing worth $200 just for attending. So call 303-923-7700. Seating is extremely limited, so you need to call now. You can also visit their website, tradingacademy.com. Their number again is 303-923-7700. Online Trading Academy sponsored this segment.